Today, we will discuss Codo and Cursor. A fundamental similarity is their common aim of enhancing developer efficiency. Their goal is to minimize coding time and effort through task automation and offering pertinent suggestions. Codo and Cursor signify a new era of code editors that utilize AI to offer a smarter and more efficient programming experience. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Codo offers AI-driven code completion, generation, and significantly emphasizes creating test cases. Codo's Windsurf update has significantly enhanced its capability, bringing it near to a complete IDE experience, making it a formidable rival to Cursor. Codo is likewise concentrated on offering tools that assist developers in comprehending their code more effectively. Codo prioritizes code quality and reliability, especially with its capabilities for AI-driven test generation. Codo is progressing toward a complete IDE experience while maintaining a strong emphasis on code help and test case creation. Cursor is built as a comprehensive code editor featuring highly integrated AI functionalities. It is designed to offer a smooth AI-enhanced coding experience. Cursor concentrates on enhancing the complete development process from coding to troubleshooting with AI integration. It highlights its AI chat feature, enabling developers to engage with the AI using natural language for inquiries, code generation, and debugging tasks. It also stands out in producing substantial blocks of code and even complete application from user prompts. All in all, while both Codo and Cursor utilize AI to enhance coding, Cursor provides a more fully integrated AI-powered code editor experience, while Codo places a strong emphasis on code quality and test generation.